What's up guys, it's Lexi. Welcome back to AleXplainIT. So today in this video, it's going to be a little bit different. A while ago, I had my hands on the Samsung Galaxy A05 and my intention was to review it, but because so much time has passed, it's pointless having a full-on hands-on in-depth review right now. So I've decided to go with the angle of doing a retrospective review, especially given the fact that we also now have the Samsung Galaxy A06 and the A07. But I still think it's worth looking at, especially if you're in the market for a very good entry-level device. So let's get into it. So the Samsung Galaxy A05 has been out for a minute now, since 2023. Sitting comfortably in that ultra budget entry level sweet spot. So if you're looking on spending around 1.6 to 2,000, this is probably on your radar. But is it actually a phone that you can use every day, or is it one of those entry level phones that just give you a headache? Let's find out. First up, inside the box you get a charging cable, the A05 itself, and wait for it, a charging brick. Yes, in this economy, Samsung actually gave us a brick. Take notes, flagships. The moment you pick it up, it has that classic, comfortable Samsung feel to it. It's light, the edges are nicely curved, and it's got this interesting stripe pattern on the back. But let's talk about this glossy finish. If you so much as just look at the phone, it's going to remember all your biometric data. It's an absolute grease nightmare and a fingerprint magnet. So I suggest get a case immediately if you decide to get this phone. Quick body check. At the bottom, we get the headphone jack, which I love to see, a mic, a USB-C port, and the speaker. On the left, it has a dual SIM slot and a memory card slot. At the top, we get another mic, and on the right, it has your volume and power buttons. Yes, I know the build is entirely plastic, but honestly, it feels durable enough to survive regular everyday usage and chaos. So if you flip it over, you're looking at a massive 6.7-inch display with a teardrop notch for the selfie camera. Now, is it the brightest or most vibrant screen out there? Absolutely not. If you take this thing outdoors on a sunny day, even at max brightness, you will probably be squinting to see what you have to see. I was looking at it and I felt like you're basically looking at a very expensive mirror because the reflection is heavy. But I guess it gets the job done indoors. But outdoors, good luck guys. Software-wise, it ships with Android 13 and you get 2 software upgrades. Also, it's running on the MediaTek Helio G85. That's the exact same entry-level processor that you'll find in other competitors like the Xiaomi Redmi 13C, and even the Tecno Spark 20 has a variation of this chipset. Now, full disclosure. During my first few weeks using this phone, I thought, man, this phone is nice and fast. But over time, it definitely started to lose its speed and slow down a bit. To be fair though, I might be a little bit biased and spoiled because I already used the newer A06 and the A07, which kind of makes it feel a bit like outdated. I did find it a little bit slow and laggy, especially when scrolling on social media, but I found when viewing videos and streaming, it handled it just fine. So where it was kind of impressive was the battery. It has a 4000 milliamp hour battery, which is a decent battery size, but when you use it, it actually lasts so long. As for the cameras, you get 2 lenses at the back, a 50 megapixel main shooter and a basic 2 megapixel depth sensor, which is basically just there to look pretty. The photo quality is okay. It's okay if you want to take casual daytime shots, but it's absolutely not flagship or even basic entry level quality, because I've definitely seen better camera performance from phones that are around the 1.6 to 2,000 price range. Okay, so that's my quick look back and review of the Samsung Galaxy A05. So if you're on a tight budget and still want a decent entry-level device, then I still think you can go for the Samsung Galaxy A05. But of course, the A06 and the A07 have better perks. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, make sure you leave a thumbs up and leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one where I'll explain it.